there, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super cute today? I hope so, because we're going to learn how to draw and color a happy little puppy standing tall on all four paws. And here's the most exciting part. When we're all done, this puppy is going to come to life and move. Isn't that amazing? So let's get ready to draw, color, and see some magic. First, let's draw a big round shape for the puppy's head, kind of like a circle with soft cheeks. You can draw lightly first and make it darker when you're happy with the shape. Next, right under the head. Let's draw a short curved line for the puppy's neck, and then draw a nice round collar across it. The collar looks like a wide smile that wraps around the neck. Now, let's draw the puppy's body. Start from under the collar and draw a curved line going down and back. It looks like a big jelly bean. Make sure to leave room for 4 legs underneath. Then, add the front legs, 2 straight legs coming down from the body. Don't forget the little paws at the bottom. If paws are tricky, just draw small rounded rectangles for feet. Easy peasy. Now, draw the 2 back legs. These are a little curved and stand slightly behind the front ones. Look at the front legs to help you match their size, but make the back legs curve gently forward. Let's draw the tail. Make it curve up from the back. It can be as curvy or straight as you like. You can make the tail fluffy or smooth, whatever feels fun to you. Now it's face time! Let's add 2 small oval eyes, a round brown nose, and a big happy smile. You can also draw little eyebrows on top. Keep the eyes close to each other and above the nose, so the face looks friendly. And of course, don't forget the ears. 1 on each side of the head. They're big and floppy like rainbow-shaped flaps. Try to make them the same size. But don't worry if they're not perfect. Your puppy is unique. Now it's coloring time. Grab your favorite colors and let's make our puppy shine. Yellow for the face, body, legs, and paws. Color slowly and gently and try to stay inside the lines. But it's okay if your crayons get excited and jump outside a little. Orange for the ears and tail. Blue for the collar. Brown for the nose. And don't forget to add some green grass and blue sky around if you want. Look at your puppy now. So colorful. So happy. But wait, are you ready for the magic? Let's say puppy. And watch closely what happens. Now it's moving! Look at that tail wiggle! You brought your drawing to life. You did it! You drew a standing puppy, colored it beautifully, and made it move like magic. Be proud of your awesome art. Want to draw more animals with me and see them come to life too? Subscribe and join me next time for more magical drawing fun. Hit that notification bell so you're updated too.